Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam. Please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Be sure to remove any personal belongings from your seat pockets and the luggage bins before leaving the aircraft. Please be careful when opening the luggage bins. Hand luggage may fall out unexpectedly.